that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay.
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura.
People that use fiat.
What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like, most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare and for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please.
Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
Yo, what's up, guys? Great to the B to the T to the C to the moon here, and welcome to the Memecoin show. It's another day, very much special day today, considering that we have a lot of things to talk about in the world of crypto right now. Life-changing opportunities, the biggest event in the history of cryptocurrency, where the President of the United States will be discussing cryptocurrency with his cabal. This is something that we never ever expected to happen in crypto. You know, we have gone a long way, and there is potential that cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, could skyrocket from where it is now to $125,000 or more, depending on what will be announced tomorrow. So make sure you stick around, because so much is going to be covered, and also so much opportunities to everybody who is just watching on the sidelines here. And we have Alex, who is also going to join us. Maybe he's the one messaging me now. Okay. Amazing. That feels good. Okay, we got Johan here. We got Abu. We got Crypto Wave, says XRP. We got the community firing up. So keep firing it up. We have so much to cover today, guys. So much to discuss. But first, I will go to X and call the cabal that we live, so that they should also join us here. I don't want anybody to miss out on today's stream, because it's that important. It is that important, okay? So let me just tell the cabal out there that we are live discussing the crypto strategic reserve. Why is it showing a whole different title on X? That's so strange. The crypto strategic reserve. That is the right title for this stream. The crypto strategic reserve. Okay, Trump is live also. Why does it keep repeating the same title today? This is so strange, man. Okay, this is the wrong title for this video, but I will get it fixed. Today we're supposed to be talking about the crypto strategic reserve. I don't know why somebody out there messed up the stream. Team, if you're watching this is pretty messed up. We're supposed to be talking about the crypto strategic reserve, but all the titles of the stream are showing something else. So, gotta fix it. And Mr. Alex is on his way, also about to join us. Now, there are so many different rumors out there. Just depends on who are you listening to. The actual outcome of what is about to happen is very unpredictable, but it is also at the same time very telling. If you make the right moves, you are going to win at this point, like in the next 24 hours. You can make hundreds of thousands of dollars, you can get stopped, or you can get wrecked again. This is going to be a really tricky situation. So make sure you're watching, make sure you're listening in, subscribe, and all that, and all the cool stuff. It's very important. Okay. On X, you guys already know what the rules are. Save, and let's share this. Yo, Alex, if you're live, just if you join the chat, just let me know. I'll bring you up. live now discussing the next, the Whitehouse Crypto Summit. The predictions. And we're also going to discuss the price predictions for XRP, Cardano, BTC, and Solana. There we go. I just posted it. So the Twitter or X cabal can now join us and we can discuss all these things. So first, before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to a big campaign right now, since we're talking about the Crypto Strategic Reserve Summit that is happening tomorrow. If you have no idea, let me put you on game. Trump's White House Crypto Summit is in focus. Will Bitcoin be integrated into the US financial strategy? All right. The synopsis says, the White House Crypto Summit, President Donald Trump will host his first White House Crypto Summit this Friday, and there's a lot of buzz around it. The high-profile event attracted significant attention across the industry and is expected to include more than 25 participants. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has dropped hints that Bitcoin may be integrated into the US financial strategy, according to media reports. So this is the nutshell of what's going on, guys. Tomorrow, Trump and his cronies are going to sit down and discuss the Bitcoin or the Crypto Strategic Reserve, which also includes coins like XRP, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, and so many others. Now, how high will these coins go if this actually get approved? Because there is some rumor out there that tomorrow is when Trump is actually going to announce the Crypto Strategic Reserve, that it is official. If that happens, how high should we expect the market to go? I expect Bitcoin in one day to go from where it is now to $125,000. And then the others, we also can look at how high they will go. I have my own projections, but we can talk about it in a bit. So now that we know the news about this meeting happening tomorrow, there's also some extra rumors that says Charles Hoskinson, this is breaking news, a rumored confirmed list of all the guests invited for the White House Crypto Summit has been released, and Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is missing from this list. Will Trump boycott Cardano in the Crypto Strategic Reserve tomorrow at the summit? Now, the list of confirmed attendees is here, but Charles is no longer there. Now, this is quite concerning because on all the first lists that were announced, Charles Hoskinson was there. But after that, we also have to remember, a lot of people do not like the appearance of shitcoin CEOs here, or shitcoin being part of the Crypto Strategic Reserve. There are people who don't like XRP. There are people out there that don't like Cardano. And maybe Trump got a little bit of pressure to be like, yo, you can't be adding shitcoins to the strategic reserve, therefore Cardano should go. And maybe they say Charles Hoskinson should not be there. Who knows? But that is my speculation. If Charles Hoskinson is not there, it's a problem. And I'll tell you why is the problem. If Charles is not on this list tomorrow at the summit, I need you guys to listen carefully. If Charles Hoskinson is not at the summit, if it's being streamed and you're watching, Charles is not there, short Cardano because the price is going to drop like crazy. It will symbolize that maybe Cardano is not part of the Crypto Strategic Reserve. So there's so many signals tomorrow that we can use to trade, make longs and make shorts. And I'll tell you what I personally have done. And yeah, Mr. Alex is here as well. Alex, what's up?
Mr. Alex is here. What's good, brother?
I cannot
everything
hear
is
you.
perfect.
I cannot hear you. I don't know if you can
pretty
hear me.
much excited for everything what's going on. I don't really expect a huge news tomorrow, but it's still like it's a new era of crypto, definitely. I'm setting up the live stream right now.
No, sir, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Hey.
Chat, can you hear Alex? Because I can't hear him. I don't know if you guys can hear him, though. Alex, are you there?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I think
If
it's
you
my
know?
problem here because I can see that you're talking.
Yeah.
My computer is not giving me some feedback audio. Wait. Now I should be able to hear you.
I'm speaking right now. If you can hear me now?
Yeah, so the chat could hear you. I was only the only one who could not hear you. So now I can hear you, sir. What's up? What's up? What's going on that side of the world?
What's up? Yeah. I mean, we are the same part of the world. Unfortunately, we must move to Brazil, brother, or I don't know, Argentina, whatever there. Like to just, yeah.
I mean, I'm not against moving to America, man. America, South America, for sure.
But
I mean, anytime.
With common sense, dude, I don't even against moving to America itself anymore. Literally.
Sounds good. You know, it depends on how the game plays out tomorrow. Tomorrow is Judgment Day for crypto. We might find ourselves dumping like crazy and everything burns, or things might actually just get really, really interesting. So
I'm starting my live right now and opening your live to see the chat. We must see the chat as well.
Yeah. But what do you think tomorrow is happening, Alex? Do you think it's over? There's Tasmani here says tomorrow will be the biggest dump since Trump has been in office. I also suspect this. I think this is going to be, might just be a disappointment tomorrow. Because this thing, I mean, if you look at the fundamentals, it feels like this thing is always sham. I don't know how you feel about it, Alex, but it feels like Trump destroyed the potential of the Bitcoin strategic reserve by simply bringing all the meme coins, and now he's bringing all the altcoins and all that. And I think he might not get the consensus that he wants to get this shit to the moon.
I'm pretty much seeing the same in the short term perspective. Like, I don't really expect a huge pump tomorrow by the start of everything. But by the end of it all, it's definitely will pump. Just because, like, the latest news is what the state of Texas actually approved the strategic Bitcoin reserve. They decided what Bitcoin is not an enemy for USD, and it's more like gold. And so they decided what they will agree on strategic Bitcoin reserve, which is pretty much bullish. And yeah, there is some speculations about XRP and about other coins, what they like pay to sign Solana, so XRP doesn't look as a manipulation of the market. And of course, like most of the crypto guys are only bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but at the same time, it was exactly what I told everybody. You on your live stream, on my live stream, and every video, I was telling guys, if you want to be sure you are in the right place, you're going on the coin market cap, you're opening up USA Made Crypto, and you're just buying first 5 of them. Because it's not a question if USA wants to be the first one in every single game. They will pump their own crypto for sure. And yet there is some pretty much not overpriced, but highly priced with 150 billion market cap
but you
already.
know what's happening is that the Trump's family is also buying a bunch of crypto. Like,
right.
Liberty Finance bought millions of crypto in the last 24 hours. Like, they bought Ethereum, in a lot of Ethereum. I don't know what is going on with Ethereum. It's like they know something is happening. So, you know, there is some, but then at the same time, the fundamentals are not adding up. It's all weird games that are going on. But quickly, I want to give you guys a great deal. Oh my gosh. I want to give you guys a great deal before we go ahead. Right now on CoinW, there is an incredible campaign. They're calling it the Whitehouse meeting upgrade, where you can claim $100 in USDT free futures bonus with 5x leverage, which means you can trade with this amount on CoinW for free across BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and Trump. If you don't have an account on CoinW, but you sign up with my link in the description, you will be able to claim this $100 bonus right now. So take advantage of it. Link should be in bio, but also a link in the description of the video, depending on which platform you're watching right now. So it's really simple. Go there, claim the free $100, and you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and Trump. This is CoinW. It's a platform that you have seen me trade hundreds of thousands of dollars on. It's incredible. Not only that they have good liquidity, incredible app, it's beautiful UI, UX, but they also have a lot of liquidity, and they list meme coins early. It's why I love CoinW, right? Billions of dollars is being traded there, but also they list a lot of newer coins, which gives us a lot of upside to get into early. So if you don't have a CoinW account, you're missing out, because it doesn't even need KYC for you to trade on this platform. You can open an account without KYC and be trading on it whatever you want and have fun with it.
Sounds hype.
Absolutely. It's been around for 7 years, 120 countries, $10 billion high liquidity, and 300 plus qualified projects have been listed on there. So go to CoinW, link in the description, link in bio. Let's go. So Alex, are we short? Are we long tomorrow? What are we doing? What's the plan?
Yeah.
I have money because I have a trade going on right now. I have trades going on, but I also canceled all my other longs right now because I'm uncertain of what is to be expected tomorrow. But we need some kind of direction so that we can go long, we can go short. Are you long?
I'm just started my live stream, so I'm live right now. And about your question, if we are going to long or short tomorrow, definitely nothing is definitely in this question. My position right now is long in the ton. And by the rest, I'm staying still and I'm waiting for every single crypto to go a little bit more down just to start longing it. I pretty much bullish. Let me actually look up what's going on with my trades, because I have it somewhere over here, I guess. Yeah. And I'm pretty much expecting a little pump tomorrow. But then, like, all the stuff that's going on around the world right now, I believe we will witness a huge dump, like the huge one no one ever witnessed. Not tomorrow. I'm not speaking about tomorrow. I'm speaking about somewhere closer to April, like March 25th or something like this.
So look, if you look at the Bitcoin chart right now, this is exactly what it looks like. Very, very predictable within a range of $80,000 all the way to about $92,000. So my TA is top notch. It's beautiful. It looks like a piece of art here. So right now, we just hit the top level, the top line of $92,000, let's say.
Right.
And now we're starting to recede again, in which the support level is back at $79,000, $80,000 levels. Now, do you think this, because I think this chart is already saturated, it probably will get an overboost tomorrow up to 95,000 here on this line. And then after that, I think we're more likely going to face down, because like, what should we expect tomorrow? It feels like there's nothing much other than people will sit down and talk and, and all that, but then it's going to be a bunch of empty outcome. I don't think anything serious is going to come out of it.
No,
it's going to be just symbolic. It's going to be symbolic.
Right.
But since the market has been going up for the last two, 3 days, that was a front run of that event. So my personal opinion is that this is going to be a sell the news event. Except if Trump comes out and say, strategic reserve is happening, we're starting on this day, we're going to buy Bitcoin starting tomorrow, whatever, and then everything is going to break loose. But if that's not the event, I think we're going to dump again.
The bullish news in there is like, I'm pretty sure tomorrow they will again cancel the tariffs against Mexico and Canada. And so on these news, and only on these news, we already can go up. Definitely everything what will happen tomorrow, except of some unexpected stuff, is already included in the price. This pump, a couple of days ago, actually 3 days ago, was exactly this. Like, people are buying on rumors, selling on the news. We can expect the sale pressure, but at the same time, it's Trump. Trump will always say something. There will be huge statements on this event for sure. Like, we will support, we will help. Now the war is over. Like, I can basically create a bingo of tomorrow's event by the words what Trump will pronounce tomorrow. Like, the previous administration was terrible against crypto and all this stuff. I changed the SEC chair. I changed everything. Now we have Crypto Alliance in the White House. We also now will run these events every single whatever quarter.
Tomorrow he can just also say another thing that is ridiculous, that is like outrageous. You know what's going on? It's this and this and this and that. That's it. That's the problem.
That's why we will see the pump and then dump, because I'm not meaning what Trump doesn't hold his word. He always holding his word. Like not always, but most of the time. And the thing is in here is what it's pretty much very hard to actually do something. So on the news and on the words, tomorrow will be pumped because of all the statements. But in the long term and at the nearest future, we will witness what the guys in the market will be just sick with only statements without any actions. And I'm pretty sure about crypto, we will not see real actions in the very nearest future. So if we're speaking about the next 3-4 weeks, it will be spike to the up, where Trump saying something like America now will accumulate a lot of Bitcoin, and everybody will be after us. Europe will accumulate because we're accumulating to pump the price. America will be the first, etc., etc., etc. But it's not enough to actually be at the next bull run. It's not enough to break.
But what about Trump? Is it gonna pump or not?
Itself, of course.
Trump coin. Trump. Do you think tomorrow is a play for Trump or not?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. I mean, my position is still in. I've been texting in Alpha Group about Trump coin for a while already, and my position is still in the same. It was.
By the way, here's the difference. I don't know if you guys have seen this. So if you look at Bitcoin, the Nitros Bull indicator on the daily chart, right, is bullish still, even at this point. Where if you go to Trump coin is still in a bearish mode. The trend has not shifted yet. No, not this. Oh, let's see. Trump USDT. Is this the right chart? Oh, actually, yeah. Trump coin also on the daily is bullish, but on the 4 hours is still bearish. Basically just got caught bear yesterday. So this is pretty interesting. We'll see. I think in the next couple of hours, we should see the markets really, really, really move like crazy, because this is very, very much unexpected. And then there's XRP. XRP, I think, is probably going to be the main beneficiary in all this nonsense, because the XRP army or the cabal are so close with the Trumps, and they spend the most money. So I think Cardano can get kicked out.
Do you really think they will kick anything out out of the list?
I think there will be some pressure of people saying that, these guys are not serious about anything. These companies we cannot buy because they're basically corruption. This is corruption. I think they will use the word corruption to get rid of Ripple and all the other coins. That is my prediction on that. But Bitcoin, I think what is more likely to happen, they will say, Bitcoin, it's okay, we're okay with it, approve. The rest we have to discuss. And then it's going to be a long time. It might ever happen. It might never happen. But XRP, I think, has a lot of good news still coming through. So tomorrow, it might also be one of the major performers tomorrow as well. However,
I'm not waiting the huge pump on XRP, to be honest. I'm pretty bullish on XRP itself. Not I'm pretty much sick with the market. I'm not a stupid guy, right? You can't call me a stupid guy. I see everything what's going on, and I see all these videos, and I'm almost making the same bullshit. But the thing here is what people are actually realize what's going on with XRP and how they will make their moves. It will be not like the market buy; it's an escrow. They basically will not affect the price at all. The main thing with XRP will happen when it is not question if, it's question when, because like it's blockchain. It's like if XRP will not make it, neither of the other coin will make it because of everything what's going on.
Right.
And so when it will be actually adopted by institutions, and when the government will actually not back the coin itself, but support it in the legal and regulatory way, this will pump the price.
So I think, but let's also look at the optimistic sense of this. Currently, XRP is standing at 2.5, right?
2.6 actually.
2.61. If tomorrow, let's say it would be a whole different day where Trump comes out and say, look, the crypto strategic reserve is approved and we're going to do it.
Right.
The same day, XRP would go to $10. That is my prediction. Same day, it could go to $10. Boom. And then it could sideways a little bit, correct, and then next thing you know, it's $15. And the next thing you know, it's like $20 within the same week. That is my prediction. But that is for XRP. For Bitcoin, I think tomorrow, if we get some positive news, like if Trump just come with some big confirmation news, Bitcoin is going to go to $125,000 the same day. For Cardano, for Solana, if Trump comes out tomorrow and drops some big news of the crypto strategic reserve, including Solana, and it's green lighted, if he just green lights it, tomorrow the same day, within hours, Solana could go to $1,000, 4x. It could balloon to the moon. Ethereum would double the same day. That's how crazy this thing. So look at where Solana is. I mean, it tried for a moment to really be at the top. The highest it went was like 294, right? From here.
Yep.
But if Trump would really just come out and be like, yeah, it's happening, guys. We want to be the top of the world, whatever. We want to rule crypto. We want to be the crypto capital of the world. Therefore, the strategic reserve is going to include Solana. Boom! $1,000 Solana is on the same freaking day.
This is true. This is true. This is true. No, yeah, it's pretty much positive way of looking at things, and it's very optimistic, but it's possible for sure.
Oh yeah.
Like,
oh yeah, absolutely.
It's not a question what we are dreaming of, something what will never happen. No, it's possible. It's possible. With like, just imagine other countries what will witness in their life, like real time, what they are accumulating so much of asset, what is unminable. So you can't mine, like you can mine Bitcoin, but you can't, like it's cheaper for you right now to just buy. It's the same as everything. You can't buy Ethereum. You can't mine Solana. So when USA will start to accumulate Solana, XRP, Bitcoin, Cardano, and Ethereum in their balances, for sure, it's not only pumping the price from this country and from the market of this country, but also it will for sure pump the price from the other countries as well. So we definitely can witness something very and very crazy. All right, Gray's prediction is $20 for XRP. It's $125,000 for Bitcoin. It's $1,000 for Solana. And how much for Cardano? Once again?
Cardano, I didn't predict on Cardano, but Cardano I think could go to easily. It could easily go to like $3.
I would say 5
on the same day.
In this scenario, I can easily say 5. It's only $32 billion in market cap.
Okay, yeah, that's reasonable. Yeah, it could.
And Ethereum can just, I believe Ethereum can just break itself from all-time high. All-time high for Ethereum is $666, and so we are speaking around 5,000, which is double. All right, the positive and the optimistic look at tomorrow's event, it's something like this. I can't be more agree.
But you know, one more prediction before I forget. If that
All right.
happens, Trump would go to $100 the same day also.
Coin,
Because Trump coin would go to $100 the same day, because it would mean that would actually be the biggest green check of the bull market. Now would be in the bull run, because it will mean that the U.S. government has to literally put some money aside to buy the crypto from us. And markets, what do? They front run everything. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. It will just be like, this is the future.
That's true.
That's true. What else is going on in the other side of the world? There is a lot in the traditional online news. We can talk about it. There's a lot going on. I don't know. Do you know these guys called? Do you know these e-com guys called Samuel Onua?
No. Tell me.
So there's this guy. His name is Samuel Onua.
Are you showing on something? Yeah, let me open up your live stream so I can show everybody as well.
Yes, Samuel Onua. I don't know what his website. Yeah, this. This is a guy called Samuel Onua.
All right.
He's more on the e-com guys. He's the e-com guy from the Netherlands, half Nigerian, half Dutch. And he is known for e-commerce. But him and his brother have actually been arrested in Dubai last week. And these guys, the whole idea is that they make millions. They make $700,000 per week from e-commerce. And, you know, they live a very beautiful lifestyle that a lot of people look up to. They're always traveling on private jets. They're living in a $70,000 per month villa here in where I'm actually in the Palm, Dubai. In the same area. And I see these guys driving around here. They're really cool guys. They're living their life. But guess they were found here, and the crime is that they were selling, they were found with 250 kilograms of white powder.
Oh my gosh.
Can you imagine?
I was like, all right, maybe he was frauding people. Maybe he was like not paying taxes for all the stuff he was buying. Reselling. How much kilos?
250 kilograms. That is what is being reported. So I don't know if it's $250,000 worth, but it's being miscommunicated. But I'm like, if it's really 250 kilograms, it means that these guys, their business was selling white powder, whereas they were just fronting using e-commerce, you know, to sort of just soften the brand. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they was even filming everything, right? They were like, we will be on the surface, and so everybody who will look at us will just think what we are basically selling some courses and stuff, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
But doing it that way.
Yeah, you know, everybody think that maybe they were selling the courses and stuff like that, but the reality is just that these guys were basically pushing white. So that is
this is so insane.
So you don't know anything about that?
Nothing. Not literally. The crazy thing is the whole day today I spent on X.com and nothing appeared in my feed about it. This is crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Usually when something like this happens, you start on getting tons of notifications from all the channels you're following about this. But from my side, literally nothing is here.
All right. So apparently what happened, now there are two cases, there are two narratives about this, right? One narrative is saying that this is a marketing campaign, they're just doing this for publicity so that they become more popular. They have a brand called Icon, which is apparently worth $33 million. That is the story. And what he wrote on the website, he says, I'm not where I am because of luck. I'm where I am because I took risks others weren't willing to take. The world rewards the risk takers It always has. It always will. Now, if you read it with this story, it reads different now.
Yeah, very differently. This is not the risk I want to take. The risk I want to take is invest in Fartcoin.
Exactly, man. You just
Maybe
invest
even
in
all
Fartcoin
my
and get
wealth.
rich.
Maybe even all my wealth. Maybe even everything I have. This is the kind of risk I can take. Like the rest, you know what I'm doing. I'm not even like I'm not even smoking anything. No, I'm not even speaking about the powder. I'm not even smoking anything in the countries where it's illegal. Like for most of the
But
people,
look, I don't really believe. I'm leaning towards that this is a fake story. It's all about I think it's a marketing thing, but they're looking at Tate and they're trying to copy that strategy of like, okay, becoming more infamous of, hard things.
Yeah.
So this is maybe a strategy because on TikTok, so I know this because I'm in e-com a little bit. So in the e-com world, these guys are big, and people look up to them. So I hopefully it's not true, because when I go outside, when I go outside here in Dubai in the Palm, like I haven't heard anyone in outside here talk about it. Because when things like this happen here in Dubai, you really hear it everywhere, right? You go outside for coffee, somebody will tell you, have you heard about this? But right now, I haven't heard it. I'm only hearing it online. So far, I don't believe it. But if it's real, then it has to be really, really stupid. Because like, why would you want to be doing that? Especially in Dubai, because the story says that these guys, they were throwing a party, and then they brought in girls, paid girls that you have to pay. It's Dubai vibes.
Yep.
And then they didn't pay one girl, whatever, that she got pissed off, and they reported something to the police. The police came to the villa, searched, and then they found something.
Oh my gosh. But who is finally reported it? Because Dubai police usually texting about these cases. Like usually it's not only from influencers. Usually it's some like real reports from the police, especially if something is very like especially if something is very big. 250 kilograms is not a joke. 250 kilograms is the I forgot the name of the main guy who did this stuff. Pablo Escobar.
Pablo Escobar level, yeah.
Escobar.
And it's 25. Right. It's 25 years in Dubai if it's really 250 kilograms. So it's crazy, guys. Whatever you're doing, guys, don't get into this kind of businesses. Taking risk is really good, but don't be stupid about it. Like if this is just so crazy. But we have Jay Constant here says, I'm Dutch, and that Samuel Onuha is a nothing burger. The guy is a fake. So honestly, I also don't believe what they say. The thing is, people believe that these guys are making like 700K per week, or they're making $3 million whenever, like in 2 weeks, I don't know, or per month. I think it's obviously their business is the lifestyle and selling courses. I know that for sure. But if they were pushing this stuff here, it means that this is where the main business was actually happening. So anyway, whatever you do out there, don't be stupid. Don't do white powder. Don't even drink alcohol, guys. I would recommend
don't do anything illegal.
Yeah, don't do anything illegal.
I did a video today about the tier list in altcoins, like top 20 crypto. I sent you a link. So if you want to do it right now, because I compared mine with Grok 3 and it was pretty interesting. So if you want to do one, I sent you a link already for the tier list.
Let's see.
I don't know how YouTube works.
I see top 20 tier maker list. So I can make my top 20 cryptos?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just drag and drop.
Okay. So the best is tier A or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Tier A. Oh, wow. This is a really cool game. So here I'm making a top 20 tier list maker.
Yeah, you're supposed to start from the end and goes up to the A, like from worst to best. But you did as I did as well.
Best is green, and
no. Best is A. Best is red.
Okay,
but
sure.
the thing is, when you making a video or live streaming, you usually starting from the end. And I did the same mistake you did. I didn't like. I start from the start, and there is no interest watching what's after B. You know.
I see. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, guys, so I'm going to make my best 20 cryptocurrency in the world. I'll make a top 20 cryptocurrency list based on these tiers. So I will start now. E is the worst. It's A to E, which is from best to worst. So if we have to start with the worst, should we get started? Let's go.
Yalla.
Okay, I see. Okay, the worst is gonna be here. This is Polkadot is the worst. Shiba Inu right now, also the worst. This is Monero. I'll put it in D list. Litecoin D list. Chainlink C list. Tron E list as well. And Bitcoin Cash trash E list. Polygon C list. XRP XRP. Where do I put XRP? Trash. It's trash. Let's keep it real here. Dogecoin C. Uniswap token C. Cardano D. Okay, is this what is this again?
Which one?
I know what the coin is, but I am looking at the logo. I forgot what it is, but I know what it is. Like an old play. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna put it here in the. If I can't even remember the name by looking at your logo, it means you're irrelevant.
Oh, for sure.
This is Stellar Rumens, I believe. Stellar, also a low tier. Ton Telegram. It's gonna be there. BNB. BNB. It's also gonna be here on this list. And AVAX D. Okay. Solana is gonna go to B, Ethereum, B, and Bitcoin is tier list. Boom! What do you think about that, Alex? You like it?
I mean, yep, it's pretty much works like mine. Without actually without lying, my tier list is different only by XRP. And the only thing I'm not thinking what we will go through moons like thousands of thousands X. I'm only really thinking what if you know the thing I've been building simple, and when I'm watching on XRP L and all the pages, it's really simple vibes. Like the way they handled economics is pretty bad. The way they're building everything is pretty good. So for me, it's definitely not the last year. I did a smart thing. You know what I did? Mm-hmm. I also added Pi coin in here, and Pi was the worst one, and the rest one on the D. So I kind of removed it, and only Pi was on the E line.
I think. I remember. I think this is Cosmos coin. This logo here is Cosmos. But anyway, I think this is the true tier. This is actually a very good exercise to use when you want to build a portfolio. You know, you can use this system, a tier system, sort of to create a much better, to clarify your brain before you invest or something like that.
Right.
So the website is tiermaker.com. You can go and make your own tier, guys, if you want. If you agree with my tier, let me know in the comment. If you don't, also let me know. Chat, we'll read your comments at any time of the day. So we got Jay Constant here is complaining. He says that Crypto Hustle, you are not that humble guy anymore. Don't look up to Tate and wannabes. Are you an Mr. Apartheid Elon fan? Are you an Orange Hitler fan?
I am Elon Musk fan. I'm the best Elon Musk fan. Let's go to the Mars. Take me to the Mars. I will be the first one. And President Trump himself.
Let's talk about Elon Musk. Why is he being hated so much right now? Do you know what the reason is? Because I'm like, this guy is in government trying to remove corruption and fix the United States government. make the government more efficient, because otherwise there's too much data. With more data, it's just not going to work. The system is going to collapse at some point. He's trying to fix it. Everybody knows this guy is probably the smartest guy in the world. He has fixed a lot of things. Why would anyone be against what he's doing? That part I don't understand. He gave us freedom of speech with his own money, $44 billion. He bought X again. But no, people are not happy. He sent a bunch, he's sending rockets. As we speak, I think tomorrow or this Sunday, the country of Botswana is launching its first satellite using SpaceX, because SpaceX has made it more affordable for anyone to basically send a satellite. Rocket launching is no longer that expensive anymore. And people are hating on this guy. Do you know why he's being hated? Or people are just stupid?
To understand why is he being hated, you have to understand who is hate him. He is being hated by the guys who getting free money because of the fraud and everything, because of the corruption in the system. Because they're sitting on free wages, free money by the, how to say it, when you can't do anything, when you disable, you getting...
Yeah, you're right. So the benefits and all that stuff.
Yeah, the benefits and all this stuff. Like you heard it, right? There is more than...
These people who are on government payroll, they call it welfare, right?
Not only. Oh, I love this lady. You just missed this post. The black lady, she's been speaking about exactly this. She's been like, I've been voting for Democrats for 20 years or something, and one time I voted for Republicans, and everything became real. Like, they actually started to do something.
Yeah, so look, a lot of people, I think, from what I hear, they call Elon Musk racist. Is Elon Musk racist? Yes. Do I support Elon Musk? Yes, I still support him. And here's why. I'll explain to you guys. A lot of you guys...
You're racist as well. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm also probably racist. So here's the thing, right? To a lot of simpletons who just look at, someone is racist. Look, being racist or not is not the only trait that matters about a human being. There's so many traits that you need to look when you're evaluating someone, right? So for me, I look at things: is someone competent? Is someone stupid? Is he racist? Is he a good person? Is he open-minded? Can he get things done? Can he deliver? Is he trustworthy? Can you believe his word? Does he really know what is going on? Is he in touch with the word? Does he believe in excellence? Elon Musk, to me, is he a capable person? Elon Musk checks a lot of boxes, but he's also racist. Now, am I going to override all those things because Elon is racist and everything that he says is stupid? That's just doesn't make sense. So I would rather have someone who is racist but who is competent than someone who is incompetent but not racist. So you can say, let's say in the US, right? You got the Democratic Party. It's a bunch of incompetent people, most of them stupid. But they're not racist. They're actually racist by thinking they're not racist. Let me explain to you why even the Democratic Party is more racist in the United States or everywhere in the world. These people, bro, when they're campaigning, right?
Yeah.
Have you seen what they do when they're campaigning to black people?
Yeah.
Or they bring people to twerk and they bring rappers to the congregation.
Campaign, yeah.
The Democratic leaders all around the world, they think that the non-white populations are stupid people. They think that they're little children. You just have to bring them people to dance around with them and, just make a party for them and they'll vote for us. They don't tell them anything that makes sense. No policy, nothing. So are they not racist? Maybe in your books, but I will tell you, people that would use those kind of tactics to campaign literally think very little of you. They believe in affirmative action, DEI, I know a lot of people who are so capable, Indian, black, Asian, any intelligent person in the world I think they think disrespected by DEI, because it's almost like you're saying that, well, an Indian guy cannot become an executive of a company if we don't do DEI because he's just not good enough.
This is
Do
crazy.
you agree?
Yep.
So yeah, is Elon Musk racist? Yes. Do I support him? Yes, because he's competent and he's capable. And yeah, I would rather live with that than some people who just good at words and painting a virtual picture, who think that they're virtuous, but then they cannot even do anything.
I may be delusional, but I've never been thinking what Elon Musk or whoever is a racist. I'm not really thinking what there's like pure racist people. I just think there's people who are thinking about themselves too much. And Elon Musk just deserves this option to think about himself too much because he's actually doing too much. Dude, this guy is not sleeping, not doing anything but working. And when he coming out, especially in my space in gaming, and saying I am the best in Diablo worldwide, or I'm in top 10, I'm like, yes, you are. I know it's not you playing, but you are. You are the best in electric cars. You are the best in space. You doing very good things. And if even you will lie or like you can call it whatever, but if you want to be in top 10, so you be like you deserve it.
Yeah,
you deserve it for sure. So I don't really think many of these people are racist, but most of the